hindi naman nakakabenta sa Facebook ads. Siyempre, because hindi natin alam yung buong understanding, no? Nung paano patakbuhin yung social media. Kasi nasa dulo pala ng funnel yung Facebook ads, eh. Ano yung tatlong araw, isang linggo, isang buwan pa lang yung business page mo, nag-run ka na ng ads, di ba? So, napakababa ng probability na mag-trust agad sa'yo yung audience mo at bumili sa'yo kung bago pa lang ang Facebook, wala ka pang content, wala kang strategy, wala kang messaging, tapos mag-run ka ng ads. Talagang sayang, magiging sayang yung ini-invest natin kasi napakarami pala natin kailangan i-consider din, no? I'm not saying that we have to do all of these things at the same time and do it religiously, but the point of this is just really having an understanding what are the things that we can apply, what we can consider with my business, with my direction, diba? In terms of making more profit in short term and also long term.